So, the Bravo Throttle Quadrant from Honeycomb Aeronautical. This is the second in their lineup. It follows their very well reviewed Alpha yoke. And please don't mistake this product for the Logitech Throttle Quadrant because they are similar in name only. Yes, of course, it's got a throttle on it. A really excellent one, actually, but we'll come back to that. This product combines a switch panel, an LED warning panel, a trim wheel, an autopilot control. It's got a gear lever and a flap, and of course the throttle quadrant itself. It's made from the same excellent rugged plastic as the Alpha yoke, largely a matte finish, and it's very, very sturdy indeed. It has small sections of glossy plastic, which I'm generally not a fan of, but they have been used where it makes sense and they're subtle, as an example over the LED warning indicators. The build quality is excellent, with all the levers and controls feeling very premium. There's a satisfying heft to the gear lever, as well as the flap lever, and the former of these includes a 3 LED indicator with green and red illuminations to show when the gear is down in transit and up. All buttons feel nicely dampened and there's no wobble or give to be found here at all. When you press them down, it genuinely feels like you're pressing a real aircraft button, and the autopilot buttons in particular feel very nice. There's a couple of rotary dials, one to switch between different autopilot functions, so altitude, vertical speed, heading, etc., and another to adjust the values of these. Both have nice detents on them and feel great when you rotate them. The inclusion of a trim wheel is frankly fantastic. I have been after one of these for more years than I care to remember, and since Logitech discontinued their Cessna trim wheel, getting hold of one of these is harder than finding rocking horse. Clearly modelled from an airliner trim wheel with a white segment, it feels great, no wobble or give again here either, and it rotates really easily. The inclusion of an alarm panel is also great. It's got bright and clear LEDs and there's no need to configure these. It works out of the box with Microsoft Flight Simulator. But despite all these features being excellent, frankly, I am skirting around the thing that makes this product truly great. And that is, frankly, the best throttle quadrant I have ever used. This thing has got interchangeable throttle levers, so you can configure it to the aircraft that you are flying. Anything in the general aviation camp is covered, all the way from simple mixture and throttle controls for single engine aircraft, to single engine complex aircraft, all the way up to dual engine complex aircraft. The levers have got electronic contacts in them, so you've got a takeoff and go around button that actually works. Not satisfied with general aviation aircraft? Well then why not swap out the levers for a jet airliner? You've got configurations for 2 and 4 engines, and again those electronic contacts coming into good use with functional reverse thrust levers on all of these. Even included is an air brake lever and flaps lever with the correct markings on the throttle for their use. There's a tension adjustment on the right hand side. Dial this up and it really makes the controls feel very hefty indeed. It uses the same excellent mounting system found on the Alpha yoke, which includes steel clamps. Definitely do the job. This thing isn't going anywhere. And for those with thicker desks, a sticky 3M pad that can apply 40 pounds of tensile strength. It even includes mounting holes for attaching Logitech flight panels on the top, so future expansion is possible. Honestly, I found it really difficult to critique anything here. The flap lever shows some moulding marks underneath, and it's difficult to store this on a flat surface as a result of the trim wheel, but frankly, I'm clutching at straws here. The entire product feels like a group of flight sim enthusiasts got together, talked about everything they had ever wished for in a product, and put it into the Bravo Throttle Quadrant. It doesn't need any drivers for Microsoft Flight Simulator. It works straight out of the box. And granted, it's not cheap at $280, and that you would expect to pay about the same in UK sterling. But given just how feature-rich this thing is, how well it's made, and did I mention it's got interchangeable flight levers? This is the most excited I've been about a flight sim peripheral in years. They've just nailed it, the design and the build. So reasons to get this: it's feature-packed, it has incredible interchangeable flight levers, and really, really excellent build quality. Reasons not to get it? Well, it's substantially more expensive than other flight sim peripherals, but given just how feature-rich this thing is, I'm not sure that's a fair critique, actually. So I can't award this product anything except a 5 out of 5. This is currently our most highly rated flight sim peripheral, a really, really excellent product. They are very difficult to get hold of, but at the time of publishing this video, they are available directly from Honeycomb Aeronautical. So please don't go and pay through the nose for items from eBay. You should not be paying more than about $280 or UK pounds for this product. As always, I hope you're very well wherever in the world you are. Stay safe in the skies. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.